Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Thursday, June 22. Time is around 7:30 GMT, and we will have a look at the DAX futures at the Oanda platform. So we had quite some price action. Um, Price action that made my current count like it is now um, invalid. So we have to look how to label this again. Also, this area didn't hold. Like in my yesterday's video, I told you this was a potential area to buy in case this was a wave 4. But I also stressed that it was really important to protect your trade, because if our high, or if a high was in here, if this was a complete structure, we could retrace more, and this is what actually happened. So this is really important to remember. Like, first of all, in the higher time frame, um, I'm expecting a pullback. Like I told us in my weekend analysis, in my previous weekend analysis, like what we see here is is a reversal pattern. Look, we have 5 waves up. We have we have divergence, which is really outspoken. So it could be that our high on the higher time frame is in for now, and that we start to pull back. This is very important, and also at the 4 hour, what we see from here, this wave 4 low is again 5 waves up, and also this looks like a complete structure. Like we have divergence or wave 5 compared to our wave 3, and then if you count from here, from this wave 4 low, this again looks like a complete structure. So everything could be there for our pullback in the higher time frame. That does not mean that it will happen. We just have to be aware that it could happen, and therefore we have to start being careful with our long trades in the lower time frame. So this is what we had yesterday. So now it's clear that we have a complete structure here, 5 waves up. That does not has to be this wave 5. Like for now, let's just forget about this wave 5 here. The only thing that is important for trading now is the structure from here till current price. So if we analyze this, then yeah, this is definitely now a complete structure, a complete wave up, because this cannot be a wave 4 anymore. We retraced too much. We also took out the wave 2 low, indeed. So let's change this count then. I would do it like this. So then this is a wave 1 up. Then here we have our or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have a complete structure to the upside. So very important. Does that mean, because I count now like this, that we will have definitely a wave 3 here to the upside? No, this does not has to be. It could be that our wave 5 is in here. We have to see. Like if we take out this low here, then this would be for me a good indication that our high is in here. But as long as we do not take out this this low, yeah, I have to assume that this is a wave 2 pullback we are having now. We first need to take out this low before I I can make my primary scenario that the wave 5 is in, because the DAX is bullish. We see exhaustion, but the DAX is bullish, so I cannot make my primary count very bearish count. But I just know I have to stress that in the higher time frame, a pullback is near. So it could be that this here was the start of our pullback. Okay, so for now, if we do not take out this low, then I will simply assume that we are now doing a wave 2 to the downside. This is no longer valid, or not longer relevant, this area. So now we have to look where our wave 2 could end. So then this will become some micro counting. Like if I have to look for my ABC, I would do it like this. So now let's see what's the target area for our wave C. So we take the length of wave A, the length of wave B, and then here this area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension is our area where the wave C should end. Now we can also look our wave 2. So a wave 2 ends between the 0.5, which is here, the 0.5, and the 0.854. So the 0.854, but like this is what is common in according to the principles of Elliott wave theory, but like it can retrace more than the 0.854. It can, as long as we do not take out this one, it can still be a wave 2. Like we can go as low as this. So here, yeah, here this will not be possible as a wave 2, because then we break this low. So that's not possible. We cannot break this low. So somewhere in this area, buyers should step in again. So now let's zoom in to the 15-minute. So here we have the 15-minute chart, and now we will really do some micro counting, but this is good. This is interesting. So I will first label my wave A. It's not really relevant anymore, but let's do it just for educational purposes. So then this would be my 1, this would be my 2, then yeah, this would be my 3, this would be my 4, this would be my 5. So this is our 3, this is our 4, this is our 5, and it's hard to see, but wait, I have to look. So here, oh, I don't see. Wait. Yeah, so this is my 3. Yeah, okay, this is my 3, this is my 4, this is my 5. Then let's put it in the... Okay, and now let's have a look at our C leg. So this is again the start. The one. Yeah, so this is the one, this is the two, then this is clearly the three. So yeah, could be that our three is finished here for 5, but actually it looks better like this. The low is not yet in. I would draw it something like this. So what I would like to see today in order to go long is on the 15-minute we have some kind of push up. We break this at a side trend line to the upside, and we go down again as a wave 5, and we end somewhere here with divergence compared to our wave 3. And actually, if you look good, like it might be that we really reach then this this area. If this is the case, then this is for me a long entry here. So wave 4, wave 5, that is ending with divergence in this area. Yeah, this looks like a good long trade, but so I expect a reaction from here, reaction to the upside. But again, just like yesterday and just like the day before, it's very important to protect your trade. As I said, the high can be in here, and so then this will be a high on the higher time frame, actually, and yeah, then we can become very bearish. So if we react here, you move your price, your stop loss to your price, and you see if we hold or not. That's the only advice I can give you. I can only interpret this data. Here we should have reaction again, but I cannot know that it will hold. We have to see. So this is the trade that I see for today. Yeah, there is a little chance that the low is in here, and if this is the case, yeah, then we miss the trade. But yeah, that's okay for me. I prefer to trade at the extremes, because if you trade at the extremes, you hardly lose any money. This is what I've done. I think in the beginning of the week, I even did a first ABC here. We reacted. I was stopped out, but I did not lose any money. Again here. So this was my yesterday and the day before. I had this as an area. We reacted. I was stopped out, but I did not lose any money. And so now it could be that we are finished here, but I'm again waiting for this area. I have to be patient. There will be reaction from. There should be reaction from here, and so when I enter and there is a separation between my entry and the price, I move my stop loss to price, and I see if it holds. If it does not hold, yeah, okay, that's part of trading. Then as soon as we start to take out this low, things will become more clear, because then in my opinion we can turn into like bearish, and then it's easier to like to do short trades, let's say. But yeah, it's only a first indication. Let's see later what will happen. But this is what I'm looking for today. And yeah, a long short trade, yeah, it's too late to be short. Like we can soon start to react to the upside, so I would not go short anymore. Yeah, so I don't see a short entry for now. Maybe, yeah, this way forward, but then you really have to trade like the 5 minutes. If you have an ABC here in the 5 minutes, you can short it. So like A, B, C, something to the upside, your wave 4, and you short this area then for your final leg to the downside, to the 5. But again, this can be risky because it could be that it is like this, a 3, a 4, so that the 5 is in. But that's also a possibility for today. Okay, let's see what the market gives us. So if you enjoyed this analysis, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work so I can further grow this channel. And see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.